The Christmas tree up, Anthony?
Yeah!
Yeah, baby. Okay, where does that one go?
Up here. No.
Okay, are you putting one too?
I have one.
Okay, put it on there.
I'm in here.
Well, way up north where the air gets cold, there's a tale about
I got it for you.
you've all been told.
FLB.
You got bees too? Yeah, give me the bee. Yeah, give me one. Thank you, buddy. Who's helping you put the tree up, Anthony? And the baby? Where's the baby? In the tummy?
Can I have one?
Here, can I have one? Thank you. Boy, I love this tree. It's like a puzzle. It has an A letter, it has a B letter, a C, a D, an E, and a S. You got it, Anthony? Oh, you can reach? I'll help you. Yay! Now we gotta open, Anthony, now we gotta open all the little pine leaves, okay?